Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. Today I'm going to show you how you can cook one of these cup of noodle, ramen noodle cups in a rice cooker. Now the first thing you're thinking is, well, you just put the water in there, bring it to a boil, pour it into the cup, and you're done. Well, you can do that, but the way I'm going to show you how to do this, it's quicker. Instead of waiting for the water to get hot enough to put it in here, why don't we just put the noodles in there and cook it all at once and save some time. So the first thing we're going to need to do is, of course, open it up. Now I've got the shrimp flavored ramen here. This will work for any of them. Oh, now I'm just going to pour off. There was a few vegetables on the top, but leave the noodles in there. And then put your water in, just barely over the fill line, because you're going to lose a little bit of water, evaporation, when this is cooking. So just a little over, just like maybe 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons over the fill line. Now don't worry, the noodles are sticking up a little bit. After a minute or two, once we start cooking this, we're going to be stirring this, and that'll get the noodles down in there. Now, at this point, if you like a little extra flavoring, I'm putting a little bit of soy sauce in there. On these shrimp ones and the chicken ones, a little bit of lemon juice sometimes isn't bad either. All right, so the rice cooker is all good to go. We're going to put our lid on. We're going to click the start button, and I'm going to start the timer. Oh, I got a little bit of water on the timer. It shouldn't hurt it. All right. Well, now we just got to let it cook for a couple minutes, and I'm going to speed this up, so I'll catch you back here in just a moment. Okay, we're 5 minutes in here, actually about 5.5 minutes in. Let's check it out. All right, it's just starting to soften up. So all I'm going to do is flip it over. Actually, at this point, we probably could just break it in half. There we go. Now everything is completely submerged. The water should be starting to get warm. I've actually never timed this before. I have cooked them this way before, but I haven't timed it, so we'll find out here how long it takes to get this to be completely cooked and finished. So, all right, well, I'm going to speed this up again, and I'll catch you back once this is ready to eat. Okay, my camera battery died. Well, I wasn't paying attention for a couple minutes there. We're at 21 minutes. The water had just started to boil about at 20 minutes. So it's done. What we do is we turn the rice cooker off. Oh yeah, those noodles are done. Now all we got to do, now normally that's how long it would take for the water to heat up in the rice cooker to pour in your cup. And then you got to sit and wait for it to absorb, cool. This way here, in about 2, maybe 3 minutes, this will cool down enough to eat. As you can see, the noodles are fully cooked. And you could add crackers or pepper or whatever extra flavorings you want to add. I do normally recommend, like soy sauce and lemon juice, stuff like that. Add it before. All right, well, I hope you found this information useful. You did, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I'd like to thank you for joining us here at the Z Hut today. I hope you have a great day and have fun cooking in your rice cooker.